Hello, this is the Movers Listening Test, Test 2. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Can you help me? I need to know the names of all these children. And the teacher, too.
Oh. Well, our teacher is standing by the door. Her name's Sally.
Right. Good. Standing by the door, you say?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. One.
And can you see the girl carrying the fish and chips?
Yes.
Well, that's my best friend. Her name's Lucy.
What, the one with the blonde hair?
Yes.
She looks nice.
Two.
And do you see the girl who's talking?
Well, there are two girls talking and not eating their lunch.
Oh, yes. Well, the one holding the glass. She's Jane.
Jane, with the glass.
That's right.
Three.
Now then, that boy throwing chips.
Oh, yes. He's very naughty. His name's Fred.
Okay. And he's the one with the red sweater?
Yes, that's him.
Right.
Four.
And you see the girl with the green skirt?
You mean the one dropping her food on the floor?
Oh, yes. Well, she's Daisy.
Thank you.
Five.
Now, who's that boy?
Which boy?
That one there, with the glasses. Look, taking the burger.
Oh, his name's Peter. He likes burgers.
I can see that. Okay, thank you. Now you go and have your lunch.
Okay, bye then.
Now listen to part 1 again.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Claire. So, you went with your classmates to that fun fair in town. Did you go on lots of rides?
Yes, it was brilliant.
That's great. Can I ask you some questions about it?
Okay,
Well, first, how old are you, Claire?
I'm 11.
11.
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
So, what day did you go to the fun fair, Claire?
Oh, last Wednesday.
Well, it was a nice sunny day last Wednesday.
That was the day.
2.
Now, which ride did you like best?
Well, I liked the train ride, but the pirate boat was my favourite. It was dangerous, I thought.
Oh, so shall I put the pirate boat ride then?
Yes.
Okay, good.
3.
Now, did you and your friends go to the cafe at the fun fair?
Yes, we did.
Okay, so what did you all have in the cafe?
Oh, well, my friends had burgers, but I had noodles.
Really?
Yes, I love them.
4.
And what was the name of the teacher who went with you?
It was Mr. Dean.
How do you spell that?
It's D-E-A-N. Mr. Dean.
5.
And one last question. What time did you leave?
Well, the fun fair closed at 5 o'clock, but we left at 4.
4 o'clock?
Yes, we had a great day, but I was sick when I got home.
Oh dear. Well, thanks for your help, Claire.
Now listen to part 2 again. Part 3. Listen and look. There is one example. Zoe is telling her teacher about the different people in her family. What does each person in Zoe's family do at the weekend?
Hello, Zoe. Are you happy it's Friday afternoon?
Yes, Mr. Cage. I love the weekends.
So, what do you do with your family?
Oh, well, we're all very busy at the weekend. We do different things. I love painting. I do that every weekend, you know.
Can you see the letter D? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
What does your dad do at the weekend?
Dad? Well, he's very busy at work in the week, so at the weekend he likes doing things at home. He always washes his car because it's new and he loves it.
And do you help him?
No, I really don't like getting dirty and wet. My grandpa's really cool.
Does he enjoy the weekends?
Yes, he does. There's a bus stop outside his house, and he's really happy about that because he can go to a different town every weekend. He likes to look at all the buildings and visit museums.
You've got a brother, haven't you, Zoe? What does he do?
Well, when he was younger, he loved playing football. And he was very good at it too, because he practiced a lot and played every Sunday morning.
That's great.
I know, but he doesn't do that now, because he goes to parties with his friends on Saturday nights.
And what about your mother? What does she do at the weekend?
Well, she does a lot of cooking for the family in the week, so she likes to do something different at the weekend. She really enjoys going to the swimming pool near our house on Saturday afternoons.
That's very nice.
Yes, but I can't go with her because I'm too busy.
So, is that everyone?
Well, we didn't talk about my grandma. She really likes going to the cinema at the weekend. They have films every Saturday afternoon for older people, starting at 3 o'clock.
And do you like going there with her?
No, not really, because I don't like the films she likes.
Now listen to part 3 again.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Vicky's teacher?
That's my teacher. Look, there.
Which one is she, Vicky? The one with the skirt and jacket on?
Yes, and she's got short black hair. See her?
Oh, yes, I can now.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What hasn't Jim got with him?
Are you going swimming, Jim?
Yes.
Have you got your towel?
Yes, in my bag.
And a drink?
Yes. Oh, wait. I haven't got my swimming hat.
2. Where's the station?
Where's the station, please?
Oh, it's easy to find. It's up the road, by that new cafe.
Oh, yes. I know now. And it's opposite the hospital.
No, opposite the supermarket.
Oh, OK. Thanks.
3. What did Jack do last night?
What did you do last night, Jack?
I went to that cinema near the park.
What, with friends?
No, with my little brother. We saw a film about sharks.
That's nice.
4. Which is Sue's homework?
Can you help me with my homework, Dad? I've got to draw a map.
What, a map of the world?
No, Dad. You know, of my town. But not only the roads. We have to draw pictures of the shops and things.
Oh, right.
5. Which is Nick's book?
I'm reading a very good book. It's a story about a boy who goes to the moon.
Wow, great!
Yes, and he sees a monster on the moon.
Only one monster?
Yes.
Oh.
Now listen to part 4 again.